Good morning, children. Welcome back. In previous class, we started our new lesson, that is lesson number 3, landforms and regions of India. In previous video, we discussed about meaning of landforms and even we completed two landforms. They are mountains and plains. In this class, you learn about another two landforms. They are desert and peninsula. Let us continue, children. Yes. First, we read about desert. Deserts are vast areas receiving poor or no rainfall. These areas have a very dry kind of climate with very limited vegetation and therefore sparsely populated desert have certain isolated areas of vegetation. These vegetations are called oases, generally close to a water sources. What do you mean by desert, children? Desert means marubhumi. Deserts are large areas. In desert less rainfall or no rainfall. These areas have very dry climate with very limited vegetations. Vegetations means sasyavarga and very less population is also there. In this area, desert have certain isolated areas of vegetations. Isolated area means pratyekavada pradesha that are also called oases. What do you mean by oases? Oases also provide habitat for travelers and their camels of relief food and water supplies to last them through their journey across the desert. An oasis is a place of desert where water forms come up to the surface from deep grounds. What are the uses of oasis in desert? Oases provide a place of fill up on food and water supplies. In desert, people may settle around these water bodies and grow date, palm and other crops in oases. Oases provide food and water for camels, travelers, and even provide supply water through their journey across the desert. Look at this picture, children. This is oasis. What is this? This is a oasis. In India, the Thar Desert is situated in Rajasthan and is a very hot, dry and sandy. It is also the world's seventh largest desert. In India, the Thar Desert is situated in Rajasthan state. This is situated in Rajasthan state. The Thar Desert is the seventh largest desert in world. The Thar Desert is seventh largest desert in the world. It is very hot and sandy. This is a Rajasthan. This is Rajasthan. In Rajasthan, the Thar Desert is there. That desert is world's seventh largest desert. Next we going to which animal is live in desert. The camel or the sheep of desert is commonly used in deserts to carry people and heavy the loads across very long distance. This is because camel have the capacity to go for a days without food and water and are also able to withstand difficult weather conditions of desert. Camels have been domesticated by humans for thousands years ago. They used mostly for transport or to carry heavy loads. They are used to transports and carry heavy loads on camels. They also provide a source of milk, meat and hair. The camel is very useful animal in desert. The camel is known as the ship of desert. The camel is known as ship of desert. Why camel is called ship of desert? Because camel have capacity to go for a days without food and water, and it has capacity to carry people from one place to another place, and even people used to keep heavy loads on camel. It can go on the burning sand easily. It can able to stand in harsh weathers also. So the camel is called sheep of desert. Now we learned about desert. Next we going to peninsula, a landform that is covered on its three sides by water and one side by land is called a peninsula. What do you mean by peninsula, children? Three sides water and one side land. Peninsula means paryaya dweep. What do you mean by peninsula? A body of land surrounded by water on three sides is called peninsula. India is a peninsular country since it is surrounded by the Arabian Sea in the west, the Bay of Bengal in the east, and the Indian Ocean in the south. India is a peninsula country. Why India is called peninsula country? Because it is covered by three sides of water bodies. There are three sides of water bodies. The Arabian Sea in the west, the Bay Bengal of is in the east, and the Indian Ocean in the south. In this picture, all three sides of oceans, one side surrounded by the India. Look at this picture, children. The Arabian Sea, the Bay of Bengal, and the Indian Ocean. So, children, today we learnt about desert and peninsula. In next video, we learn about plateaus and island. See this video once again, children. Learn about desert and peninsula. Thank you.